Hello guys, this is again another English tutorial. First of all, I will try to understand the query. As I have explained in the last video that first you have to clearly learn about the query and you have to understand the query in order to complete this task. If you are not fully aware of the query, then your chances of success in this task are very limited. So, a large ornate linear mirror typically refers to a decorative mirror designed to lean against a wall rather than being mounted. Okay, like this one, like like this one. So, rather than being mounted, it is leaned mirror. So, if we try to explore the page, yes, modern framed full length floor mirror. Here you can see it is leaned against the wall. So, how much is it satisfies our query? It is large and ornate part. If we try to explore it more, highly decorated. So it is rather simple. This one is rather simple. You can see in the picture again. I am, yes, it is not ornated, but it is simple mirror. So it fulfills our query up to here and here, but this part is not satisfied. So this attribute is mismatched, so I'll call it alternate option. So here I will explain the reason. Mismatched queries, mismatched attributes. Until there are no mismatched attributes, we are strict up to close match. When there is an attribute mismatch, then directly we jump to alternate option until we have a mismatch about color. Here you can see color, gender or clothing shoe size mismatch. Only for this option we go for not relevant. So in simpler term, until you find a specific mismatch, you are restrained up to exact match and close match. And after you find a mismatch, then you have to explore these two things. Either it is related to a clothing, gender or shoe size mismatch, then you should consider this one. Otherwise, a single option mismatch, you should consider alternate. But here is another thing. If you go for ornate and you find, and this either you find this attribute missing or you could not verify that attribute. For example, if he is saying, okay, I will explain this concept whenever the similar task came, it will be more clear to you at that time. Okay, again the milk frother thing. Milk frother, you all guys know that milk frother is a kitchen use device. This is not a milk frother, this is not relevant, simple. Okay, going to Fortnite. It's a cyber security company. Okay, any other thing? No. Okay, it is cyber security company, and any product from the Fortnite would be close match because it is the name of the Fortnite. Here Fortnite name is used, but still it is not an authorized distributor. It doesn't matter until we have a device related to Fortnite. But here another thing comes. We will try to explore either it is used or new. This one is available to order with 2-year warranty, so of course it is not used. So until it is not used, it is close match. How? Again I am going to the brand thing. Here you can see a brand is a company, site, person, team, brand or any entity जो entity that produces or sell products. So Fortnite is the entity that produces cyber security related things. Since it is cybersecurity related product and related to that company too, so it is a close match because it is not a specific product, it's a company name or brand name. Okay, then again, Bones comic book series. Okay, this one, American independently published graphic novel series. 1996 to 2004, the complete cartoon book trader collection. Okay, either it is a complete series or mostly beautiful copies. Trade collection. So this is exactly the same thing, but if I go for more details, Jeff Smith. Okay, it is created by Jeff Smith. So what about this one? Mm, anywhere? Yes, this one is from Jeff Smith. Here you can see clearly. This one is Jeff Smith. So it is the same thing. Complete collection, complete collection, and there are no signs of used thing like new. So I will mark it exact. Again, this doesn't seems to be in English. Shine shine little star. Yes, this is not in English, but it is a version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in another language, specifically French. Okay, in any case, both of the cases, it is not non-English query. So I'll mark it non-English. Okay, what about this query? Refers to a foot tendency to roll outward while walking and running, finding the right shoes for it is a shoes for specific condition related to outward tendency while walking. So let's check either the offered shoes is similar. In this case, I will copy this word and try to find on this page. I didn't found anything. Now I'll try to establish the thing fact that either this shoes will help the person with that issue. So this shoes is not that one, and it does not addresses the similar issue. So this is a property mismatch. So it is neither color or size mismatch, is a property mismatch. So I will consider it attribute mismatch and call it alternate option. Okay, while asking for havoc, it's heating, venting, ventilation and air conditioning related thing. Okay, home havoc, either it is asking for a plan or asking for something related to HVAC. It is more likely to be an exploratory term, like he wants to know about what is havoc or what does he want. Either he want to install havoc in his home, but this site is misbehaving. I will try to use VPN just to make sure I do not grade it wrong. But again, it is doing the same thing. Uh oh, something fishy about this website. I will try one more time. but this side is not showing me anything, so I will mark it content display issue, because this is the most sensible option in this time. Okay, going for Cummins merchandise. Cummins is a company that produces product, I think, related to, no, Cummins is a car related merchant manufacturer, I think so. Yes, it's a corporation, manufacture and distribute engines, filtration and power generation product. Okay, mechanical related. So asking for a Cummins Cummins merchandise. So this is exactly the common merchandise. So it will be exact option. Speakers, Bluetooth, wireless. Yes, these are wireless Bluetooth speakers. So this is exact option, because all three properties are satisfied. The speakers having Bluetooth and also wireless. Okay, this seems to be a part number. Okay, this is shown on this website. So this part number is showing against. I'll try to copy this part number and I will check here. Okay, this part number is an exact match, but here something else is shown. It's related to a safety product or plug assembly, and related to Hyundai company, and here it is safety plug. Okay, same safety plug assembly related to Hyundai, but this image is, I think, shown wrong, because actual image is not shown here. So but product is same, neither it is in new condition. Okay, this is exact match. Going next, here you do not have to see anything, because this one is not in English. Okay, Chinese simplified, Chinese thing is mentioned, so this one is not non-English. You cannot establish any fact from a non-English thing. Nike Dune Low Summit Whites. Nike Dune Low Summit White is, either it is a specific model of Nike shoes. Nike Dune Low Summit White is a popular sneaker model. Okay, specifically it is model from Nike Dunk series. Nike Dunk series Low Summit White is a specific model. So this one is, I think, model of the shoes. Here you can see the picture. So let's establish the fact. Okay, on this website, first of all, it is, there are multiple shoes are shown, but white colors Jordans, but not Dunes Dunk. Okay, Dunks are here, but these are not in white color, neither are these. So here simply not relevant, because as I've shown in the instruction that in these cases you have to be sensitive related to such queries. I'm going to size portion. Okay, here color, shoe size related to shoes size mismatch, color, gender or clothing shoe size mismatch. Yes, we can see that alternate options available on the web page, but the whites is missing. So in case of color, I will rate it not relevant. Amazon Prime shopping. So Amazon Prime is basically a subsidiary of Amazon company, though this is not Amazon Prime. If I search for Prime thing, Prime for, try Prime for, Prime is basically a shipping service offered by Amazon, but this one is, we can say, a close match, because of the fact that This thing is available on the page and this service is applied on this product, but we cannot mark it exact or alternate because there is no sense in it. Okay, I am going to over. Here you can see my skill is preserved and it is still staying at the same place. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, bye bye.